Hello, this is Alex Jones, CEO of Project Nightwatch. I'm here at what is called Grimes Dyke. It's of Roman construction, might be older. Today I want to talk about what Project Nightwatch is all about in more detail. Project Nightwatch aims to try to connect the individual to themselves, to their community, to their ancestors, to nature. The key word here is connection, and what we try to do at Project Nightwatch is to try and facilitate this connection through story making. Connection is something which is not a spectator sport. It is something where you participate in, where you are involved with that which you are connecting to. So for instance, it could be here, me connecting with history of my ancestors, the Romans who built Grimes Dyke, or it could be nature, all these wonderful trees here, the oak trees, which are quite old trees. So that is what we are all about. Thank you very much.